All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to not only upload your own images, but also how to switch out images for the ones that are in the template. That way you can start customizing your images on your website. So to do this, first we need to add files to the media library. When you first start with Showit, if you already don't have a Showit account, you will have an empty media library, and the images that are on the template will not be here. The only reason why I have them is because I actually uploaded them. But what you will have to do to add your images is go to the bottom left hand corner and click upload files. Here it'll bring you to all of your files. You can go ahead and go through them and select the images that you'd like and then click open. This up here in the top left hand corner, you should see the uploading bar that shows you your images are being uploaded. So once all the images are uploaded, you can go ahead and exit out of your media library. And now you're ready to switch out the photos for your own. So we'll go ahead and click on this lovely girl here. All you have to do is double click an image and it'll bring you to the media library. And this is where you'll be able to actually switch out the images for your own. So you can go ahead and click on another image that you prefer and it should switch it out perfectly fine. And you can do this as many times as you need to in order to, get your page looking the way you need it to look. So let me choose a different image. I want to show you what to kind of look for, how to manipulate the images. All right, let's pick this plant here. Okay, so say we have an image that is more of a portrait style. It's not landscape. And if you take a look at the parameters I have set here, it's a perfect square. So naturally, the image is not going to show the entire plant the way it should, in the original image. So in order to manipulate that, you're going to go over here to the right-hand side and under the image tab, there's a little section here and it shows size and position. Now for the size, we do want fill because if we were to select anything else, it'll automatically change the way the image looks on the template. And this is something you may or may not want. So in order to keep it the way the images are already set on the template, you would make sure you have it set to fill here. And in the position section, this is where you'll be able to manipulate it to make sure you see the part of the picture you desire on your website. So because we can't see the full plant here, let's go ahead and type in a different number. Now be mindful, these numbers range from 0%, which will be all the way, it'll put you all the way at the tippy top up here of the image, all the way to 100%. And then that'll actually put you all the way down at the bottom of the image. Well, this works for us because now we're able to see the full plant here. Now, say if you had put it in 50, it does go down to the very middle, like to the middle of the image. And in that way, you are, aren't able to see the full plant. So again, we'll go ahead and type in 100% and that'll give us the desired image that we prefer to see. Okay, so it's very easy to switch out images on your template. You do not want to mess with the actual parameters, the length or the width of the images. Because if you start doing that, you will end up having to make adjustments in the mobile section. And that'll get a little bit messy, and that's called very deep customization. So this is supposed to be something that's very quick and easy for you. So again, I definitely don't recommend touching the length and the width for the image sizes, but definitely be sure to switch them out and make this website your own.